Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Computer Fundamentals and Organization. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the ASCII. ASCII, abbreviated from American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a character encoding standard for electronic communication. ASCII codes represent text in computers, telecommunications equipment, and other devices. Most modern character encoding schemes are based on ASCII, although they support many additional characters. Originally based on the English alphabet, ASCII encodes 128 specified characters into 7-bit integers. 95 of the encoded characters are printable. These include the digits 0 to 9, lowercase letters A to Z, uppercase letters A to Z, and punctuation symbols. In addition, the original ASCII specification included 33 non-printing control codes which originated with teletype machines. Most of these are now obsolete, although a few are still commonly used. History of ASCII. ASCII was developed from telegraph code. Its first commercial use was as a 7-bit teleprinted code promoted by Bell Data Services. The first edition of the standard was published in 1963, underwent a major revision during 1967, and experienced its most recent update during 1986. The use of ASCII format for network interchange was described in 1969. Next, we can discuss the ASCII sections. The ASCII table is divided into 3 different sections. First one, non-printable, that is system codes between 0 and 31. Second one, lower ASCII, between 32 and 127. This table originates from the older American systems which worked on 7-bit character tables. Third one, higher ASCII, between 128 and 255. This portion is programmable. Characters are based on the language of the operating system or program that are using. Foreign letters are also placed in this section. This figure illustrates the ASCII table. Next is standard ASCII. Standard ASCII can represent 128 characters. It uses 7 bits to represent each character since the first bit of the byte is always 0. For instance, a capital T is represented by 84. A lowercase t is represented by 116. Other keyboard keys are also mapped to standard ASCII values. For example, the escape key is 27 in ASCII and the delete key is 127. Next is extended ASCII characters and codes. The 128 characters supported by standard ASCII are enough to represent all standard English letters, numbers, and punctuation symbols. However, it is not sufficient to represent all special characters and characters from other languages. Extended ASCII uses 8 instead of 7 bits, which adds 128 additional characters. This gives extended ASCII the ability for extra characters such as special symbols, foreign language letters, and drawing characters. Extended ASCII adding an extra 128 values for a total of 256 characters. It doubles the character set of standard ASCII. In this lecture, we have discussed the ASCII. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.